I've been on both sides of the tracks. So you can't sit here and shoot me yes, because I know how the PWIs operate, and I know how HBCUs operate, and they both operate, you know, in their own way, and they're both successful, you know. But so I know how things should operate, and what can help a HBCU win games. We took over Alabama State program that had lost a lot of games, and the same thing.
Nine losing seasons.
Had a losing season, and I was able to go with Fobs to Grambling after Grambling, you know, didn't show up for a game. You know, we took that team the next year and won 7 games, and the next year we was in the SWAC championship. But it was some of the same things we did when we was at Alabama State. The first thing we instilled in was discipline, because you know naturally down south kids gonna be pretty tough, but you got to get the discipline and the structure in them, you know, to show them the light. And LC and Johnny had a bright vision when they came to Alabama State, and Fobs had one too. But I thought we had a pretty good staff at Alabama State. We had a good staff at Grambling. But when you look at both of those programs was on a brink of falling and not recovering, and we helped recover. So I understand what it takes to win, you know, with the PWIs and the HBCUs.